My name is Joseph Bràga. A lot of you probably know me. I own Engravelab, trading.com. I also own Engraver's Choice, which also sells lasers, engravers, and routers. I've been servicing and training on Engravelab for over 2 decades now. I had previously made a basic intermediate course. Now I've finished the advanced intermediate course. So you will see an advanced manual. Will be laid out the same as the other manual in the fact that one subject per page, broken down into 4 sections with a little 3 to 5 minute video. What I've done differently on this one is I've added extra contact from a guest speaker, and I've also added raw videos from where I went up to the factory for CAD-Link, which makes Engravelab, and just kind of brainstormed around and went through all the new features of Engravelab 10. I sell all versions of the CAD-Link product, but I push Engravelab Boss Edition 2 as I sell the Boss lasers. Now, with that, you will see within the unit, you will see, let me see if I can find, there it is. With Boss Edition 2 version 10, it's got all the additional features plus all the defaults that we used to for lasers. Now, you can use that Boss Edition 2 also to run just about anybody's laser. But it goes through, there's practice jobs on all the different features that we cover within Advanced Intermediate. And you will see a series of macros that have been developed for Engravelab. You also in the future see the macro that we have for to go from CorelDRAW into Engravelab. This is a particular one for the Rowita version that goes direct that talks directly to that controller. And then we also have a version for the Lightburn system. So you will see Lightburn's an upcoming graphical interface made by a guy named Jason out in Connecticut. It's totally US. It is the most exciting thing I've seen come around the corner in a long time, other than the fact of version 10. So give us a call at 949-355-4000 and get your copy of Engravelab today. I am not selling them separate. So if you already have basic, you can buy the intermediate for the same price and you'll get the updated basic stuff. If you're buying from me for the first time, you're going to get everything for the same price of $250. We also do PC to PC training sessions that range from $250 to $500 depending on what you're doing. Again, 949-355-4000 or contact me at info@engravelabtraining.com or sales@engraverschoice.com. Thank you.